Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2011 Isuzu D-MAX LS-U, stock reference number 5198. This shape runs from the 10th month 2008 through to the 5th month 2012. It has a 4JJ1 3-litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by an automatic 4-drive transmission. 4JJ1 3-litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. We have the left-hand headlight, projector type. Left front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Left power door mirror with indicator in chrome. Left front door has one small dent, left rear door has two small dents. Left rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. ARB canopy, supplied with all bolts, brackets, and it does not have keys. Left hand tail light. Tailgate has two small dents. Tidy rear bumper. Factory fitted tow bar, supplied with all bolts, brackets and loom. Right hand tail light. Right rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right rear door has three small dents. Right power door mirror and an aftermarket fold out tent. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with grey cloth interior, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heater controls, single stack CD player, interior mirror, left sun visor, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, right sun visor and the instrument cluster. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.